Oh, didn't see you there. If you're wondering why I'm in a wheelchair, watch yesterday's video. Today is the 2019 LA Auto Show roll around. This is the new RS6. All right, boys, let's go. Come on, hurry up.
Oh, hitting that bang.
Oh, yeah, dude. I'm considering 2 different cars seriously now for the replacement of the E63 that lease ends in 20 days. RS6 or X5M. We're gonna check out both today. One thing, this color is so sick. It's like a deep bluish purple. It almost looks black, but in the sunlight, I imagine it looks insane. I actually like the RS6 so much that the previous generation one I was thinking about importing to the States instead of the E63 that I eventually ended up on. But the fact that these are hitting the States could be a good daily. All right, so you guys know how much I like the Urus. I love it, but honestly, they're still a little bit too expensive to get a daily. I think it makes more sense to get a cheaper daily and have other cars, like multiple cars additional to the channel for content. But the RSQ8, I mean, it's practically a Urus. One, this color, again, Audi killing it with the colors. Unfortunately, they're all locked because we went on public days instead of the media days. Should have gone during the media days, but damn. Let's go check out the X5M. Don't flip me, it has to be Chris. Flip me.
Video to teach my girlfriend how to drive stick.
No way, yeah, bro.
So fuck yeah,
that's
man.
amazing. Good to meet you, dude.
All right, good to meet you too, man. Thank you.
A lot of sweet BMWs ahead. Chris, give me the deets on the M2 CS. I haven't read about it yet. Throw it down.
Carbon ceramics, a lot of carbon fiber.
Nice. And, what is it, 444 horsepower?
Yeah.
Carbon ceramic brakes are optional.
Weighs the same as the M2 comp though.
You getting one or what? Look at these. These look like magnesium Porsche wheels. All right, we got a little interior review. This is as far as I can climb in, but check this out. Carbon fiber all up in the interior. Carbon fiber on the doors. I was actually wondering why there's more carbon fiber available in my Supra than the M2. They fixed it. This is sick. All right, I gotta say BMW has been killing it with the individual colors for the release of their cars. Look how beautiful this M2 looks. Look at that 8 Series Grand Coupe. And then check out the roof on this thing. It's not an individual color thing, but the pattern of the carbon fiber on the roof is actually nuts. I can't take myself serious reviewing cars like this, but check this out. This is the first edition M8 Grand Coupe. They launched it in the same color as the concept that was at the auto show several years prior. And look at the front headlights. Just come around, just roll around, guys. Now, it's not legal when it's driving on the road, but the first edition comes with yellow headlights when the car's parked. How sick is that? Woo! That's a nice front fascia. All right, but for real, guys, when they drop the new X5M, this is one of the best looking BMWs, whether it's a sedan, a coupe, a convertible, or SUV that they've dropped in a while. This color's gorgeous. Honestly, the price isn't that bad. I'm thinking downpipe and tune daily driver X5M with this interior would be pretty wet. So sick. I think something about the rear of the X5M though, just dirty. Let's hop inside. Yeah. Do a flyby? Okay, 1 second. Let me get in this first. All right. This is how I normally get into cars for reviews. Bro, the interior of this is so sick. It's like this titanium carbon fiber look. The two-tone leather with the white and black, the quilting. You guys know I love the quilting. And now they've got a whole bunch of ambient light options. I'm a huge fan of ambient light, especially after the E63 had the coolest color options available. Having 64 different ambient light colors all over the dash was kind of a little bit of a downside for the BMWs, but now they fixed that. There's even ambient light in the window available for the sunroof, which is just crazy. I could see myself getting one of these. I drove the last generation X5M and honestly it felt like an M5, yet it looked like an SUV. This would be sick. This is too sick. Oh look, they got the DSC swaying.
Oh, does it swing too?
All right guys, check this out. When you hit the traction off button to put it into MDM mode, the car has a little animation of it doing a drift on the dash. How BMW is that? I love it. The only thing that's slightly disappointing is it doesn't have the full rear wheel drive capability of the M5, but it does have all wheel drive sport that shifts most of the power to the rear. I like it. Alex, come back. What do you think, bro? I know you're in love with this car.
Yes.
Yes.
So in love.
I gotta get it.
Yeah.
Tons of room in the back. We got freaking rear seat entertainment that's touchscreen. That's pretty awesome. Can I control the ambient lighting from the, yes I can. Sold, sold. Look at this. Look how many ambient light color options we got. I love you, BMW. What do you guys think about this exterior color too? I'm actually digging this. 4.4 liter twin turbocharged V8, 617 horsepower. Imagine downpipes and a tune on this thing. It would absolutely rip. All right, where are we going? Porsche. Hey, brethren. All electric. Hey, I'd like to order a new leg. You guys got one of those? Or a beer. No drinking and driving though. In general, I'm a fan of concept cars from most manufacturers. I don't think I like this M Next concept. Trying to have a little roll race? Ready? Watch this. I got a horn and everything. Malcolm's found his way to another racetrack. He's winning, obviously. All right, so obviously the new C8 has a lot of controversy with it being mid-engine and the looks of it. But honestly, seeing it in person for the first time the other week in one of my videos, it was up on Payuma Road. It flies by with a journalist driving it in rapid blue. It's such a good looking car. So that's why I'm thinking something like get the X5M and then I could get one of these two or a GT500, something like that, instead of just getting a Urus and getting one car. But honestly, the interior on these things are epic. The spec they have here is not a fan whatsoever, but apparently they have another one in the back. Might check that out. Dude, now that spec interior is sick. I don't know if the red and the black would work with Rapid Blue, but that looks awesome. GT2 seat option, that's badass. All right guys, so you know how in every Need for Speed and Fast and Furious movie ever, the cars suddenly get faster in the middle of a race? Well, we got one of those dials. Yo, Volkswagen coming in with the heat with the little trophy truck concept? Is that real? No, concept. BJ Baldwin, what you got on that, dude? Look at that thing. That's sick. Damn. This was the sickest build at all of SEMA, to be honest. Center exhaust, sick Mark IV style wing. I dig it. Dude, stock body, it looks so good. And the interior is all race card out. That's awesome.
Yo, what is this?
Yo, new Defender? Those taillights are sick. This actually looks like something out of Star Wars. That's awesome.
Boost!
Get that boost! What's this? That's kind of cool though, actually. Porsche always has their own section. How sick is this? 911 RSR, so sick. This is actually so sick. So sick.
Soon.
Oh, it's gonna be sick. So cool.
So you guys know when I went to the Formula E E-Prix in New York City, how cool the event was, but what's really cool is seeing Porsche and Mercedes enter into the competition, and the fact that on their first race, Porsche and Mercedes podiumed, that's pretty epic. Obviously, with new hybrid cars, all electric vehicles like the Taycan, this kind of development is gonna be good for the future of their road cars. Roll out. This kind of reminds me of the Tesla Model 3 or the Model S Aeroblade wheels, but of course Porsche did it way sicker. Look at that carbon fiber. I might like these two-tones more though. All right, they're closing the show and we gotta get that X5 M thumbnail because I actually think that's gonna be my next car. Like, I've gotta get one. So we got the hybrid powertrain hooked up. Yeah, what's up, man? Yeah, rolling shot, let's do it. This is too good. Oh yeah, dude. That was epic. Alright, what do you guys honestly think? I think this could be the perfect next daily driver. I'm obsessed with the way it looks. I just hit the horn. Stupid power, with downpipes and tune, it'd be crazy. And I think even with a bunch of options, the price will be less than the current E63. I can handle that. Alright, the auto show's closed. Time to roll. Dude, somebody needs to make a road car version of that. All carbon fiber GT3 NSX, that would be sick. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of the LA Auto Show. Obviously, I wish it could be longer. I wish I could actually be walking. I'll give an update on what actually happened to my leg, but it's pretty actually kind of messed up. I can't put any weight on it whatsoever, so driving's gonna be interesting. Thankfully, it's not my other one though, so I can still drive an automatic car. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I think the X5M might be the next car. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I gotta go return the scooter. Peace. Uber! Woo!